Hi folks, in today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how to orient model in the assembly, and it was directly requested for this special orientation. So I'm going to answer to your question immediately. So we can jump to the Creo, and I have a source assembly, so you can see that over there the guys send me a few objects. So I will open the assembly, and the original model is this one, but as you can see, it's a blue color, means that the models are not okay. They are surfaced. So I have requested a new component, and the guy sent me the proper model. So these two models I will delete. I will switch on the datum plane and use the function Control D as the default orientation. So you see that the default orientation before has been not good. It is opposite related to the image. If you will have a look here. So I will really delete these two objects, Control D as the default orientation, and we can simply use the drag and drop functionality. And for example, this component was okay, and I will show later what does it mean that was okay, and it's a surface model. In the first component, many times we are using the default orientation. What will be happen if I will use the default orientation? It will be same orientation as before. So when we will finish, it's not okay. Also, if I will specify the front orientation is not fine. So we would like to really make the proper orientation in the assembly. We can select edit definition. We can delete the existing connection and placement, and we can move with the object. You can use the dragger, and also you are able to move by mouse clicking and the selection of the arrow, or you can select this spinning orientation. I prefer to use the Control Alt and the right mouse button because I can really easy to move. And if I will use the Control Alt and middle button, I can spin the model. So what I need to do, I need to spin the model approximately like here. And then we can simply select the component, datum plane, or reference surface, and datum plane from the assembly. We will specify new constraints and select another two objects. If we would like to use the coincident orientation, will be coincident. Also here I see that I didn't specify the coincident orientation. What is great with the configuration option, you are able to specify that system will automatically use proper orientation and mate and aligned orientation. So will be coincident immediately. But for now I'm using default Creo 11 configuration. So if we would like to check where we are able to move, we can see that it's possible to move up and down, Control Alt and right mouse button, or you can use the arrow. So last but not least is the selection of two reference in the orientation, vertical, and everything is changed, fully constrained, we can confirm. I mentioned that the object is okay and is not anymore the surface. What does it mean? We are able to select appearances and clear all appearances. If you will remove the appearances and the object is gray, means is solid. It will be blue, it's surface, and we have to use import data doctor. If you are interested in the import data doctor, please check the previous tutorials. I'd like to continue with the orientation of the second model, which is placed in the assembly. So we can see it's a default orientation. Best practice is if you will use the same component in the assembly, and we can quickly use the Control Alt right mouse button. Also, you are able to spin the model as you want. And if you will orient model, for example, from front, we see that will be better to orient like this. Double check the image, orientation is fine, so we can say that we are satisfied. The model is oriented in the default. So what does it mean? In the default orientation, or somehow in the space. So we would like to use the fix functionality, and the system will fix component in the current position. Model color is changed. It's a fully constrained, you can confirm OK. Everything is done. Also in the model is placed because you do not have the another icons. What does it mean? we will only drag and drop the model here, and if no constraints or one of them, and if I will finish OK, you can see in the model tree that over there is some small square, means the latest component is not fully constrained, so I can delete it. Okay, so double check front orientation, everything is great, so model is oriented as based on the source image. Thanks for the question and stay tuned. Bye-bye. Vladimir.